Welcome back to the channel. I'm going to do a short video here on how to set the boot up screen and a different background, a custom background on the 10.5-inch AuCar Tesla style screen and the 13.6-inch AcarNavi Tesla style screen. So they basically run on the same UI. So it's going to be very similar on both of them, but I'll go over both of them real quick. For the first one, I'm going to show on the 10.5-inch screen here. It's going to boot up right now, and I'm going to show you how to get this boot up screen on your head unit. Now, these do fast boot, so this won't show every time, because usually, unless it sits for a couple days or a day or so, it won't do a full boot. But I will show you how to set this, and what we're going to do is we're going to go into the Play Store, and we're going to download an app called Zedge. Now you could go onto the internet, press and hold, and save photos, but Zedge is the best one as far as I'm concerned. Now you'll see this isn't your normal screen here. So what you're going to do is, I'm going to go to settings here real quick. Let's see here. Whoops. Get back out of there. We're going to go to settings real quick, and we're going to change this back to the way the unit comes when you first get it. Okay, this is going to be the screen that the unit comes with. This is the default screen. Now you cannot customize any of this, but the only thing you could do, you have a few pages up here where you could scroll the different apps, and you could add some customized apps up here. So what you're going to do, you're going to want to go make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi, go to the Play Store, and then you're going to search for Zedge. Okay, I already have Zedge downloaded, so what you're going to want to do is, once you download it, go ahead and open it up, and then you're going to go to Wallpapers. Now you might get a screen like this one right here that says Start Free Trial. Just X out of that. You don't need to subscribe to it or anything. So and then you want to hit Search up here, and just type in Maserati. And it comes up with 634 different ones. So it's really cool. You could do anything you want. You could put a picture background of your car, emblems, there's a watch. I mean, there's just hundreds and hundreds of different photos you could set for the background, which is really, really cool. What you do, say I want this one here. Well, let's do this one here because I already have that one. Or we could do, let's do a background of a car or something. Okay, say we want this one right here. You just go ahead and press it, and it's gonna show you some similar ones. Just press the one you want, and then what you're gonna do, you're gonna go Save to Media Folder. So you're gonna push that, and now it says Save to Media Folder. So you're gonna go Home. Ignore this, mine does a goofy thing here. This is just a demo unit, so yours won't do this. Okay, so you're back to the home screen here. So what you need to do is the 10.5, they use an app called Nova Launcher. So when you go to your settings, and then you choose modern style, and then you press home. This is going to be your modern style. So what you do, you just press and hold. Oops, press and hold. Go to Wallpapers. Say we want this. I guess I downloaded a few of them, but here's a white one here. and you could position it and stuff. Now, and then you go up here and you hit set wallpaper, and you want to do home screen. Home screen. And then you hit home, and there you are. You have your background. Now, I'll show you how to do the boot up screen. It's fairly simple too. Just go to settings, and you're going to see, go over to, you're going to go over to user at the top here, and then you're going to see boot logo. You're going to go into boot logo. Now, you'll see it has all these different ones here. So, you just choose one of them, any of these. So you just choose that. Say we're going to choose that one, and it says setting boot logo success. So now when you reboot it or it boots up, it'll show that Maserati emblem. So that's that on the 10.5 inch. So it's fairly easy. I'm going to go ahead and change this back real quick to the one I had because I really like this one. And we're going to go to home screen. Okay. And this comes with Nova Launcher, which is just phenomenal. I really like it. So when you go to Nova Launcher, you could press and hold, go to settings, and then you could just customize the heck out of this thing. So you could change anything. You could bring different clocks up, different things, which is really, really nice. So, okay, we'll go on. Okay, for the 13.6 inch model, setting this boot up screen is the exact same procedure. So you download Zedge, go in and download the picture to media file, and then go into the settings, user, and boot up logo. Now you're always going to have the that one come up as far as the you know, where it says Android. I'm not tech savvy enough to change that. So now this will come with this exact same UI. So you'll see that here's the factory one. It's the same thing. And then now this doesn't come with Nova Launcher. So you need to go to the Play Store and download Nova. Okay, so now they do have a Prime which has some more stuff. So we're going to Nova Launcher, we're going to open it up. We're going to open Nova Launcher up. This is Nova Launcher. I've already set some things. You could customize everything on here, which is really nice. Now you'll see that the climate controls are gone. You just touch it there and they appear. So, and I think there might be a setting in there where it keeps that on, but I'm not sure. So anyhow, so you want to do the Nova settings, and then it's the exact same procedure. If you want to change, just go to wallpapers, choose your image, set wallpaper, done. You're done. And then you'll have your background here. And so when you could long press this, and this is the same on both of them. Whoops, I don't want to do that. I'm going to go back. Widgets, here's all your widgets and stuff. So if you want different things on your screen, you could do that. You could add apps and stuff on there. So if you want to, and you have to go, there's a setting in here that you have to go in and be able to add apps, and I can't remember where it is. It's something you have to play with. But anyhow, basically you could add your apps all over the place. You could do different widgets. You could do a calendar. You could do whatever you want on there. So that's kind of one of the things you could do. You could have your radio station playing there, and you know, a quick access to your Google Maps or anything. So that's kind of that. But that's just a kind of a quick video of how to set a new background and customize this. Basically, the Nova Launcher allows you to customize this, unless you want to go do the the home one. Whoops. If you want to do the, and you could go back and change it. So you just go to the home screen or go to settings. Let's see, you gotta open the app tray, go to settings, and then you could change it to the classic and stuff. You could change your default, so you don't have to have it at that. You could switch back and forth. So it has lots of several options on how to customize this. There's a lot of guys that are way better than I am at customizing these units. So, but this kind of neat. You can put any background you want on there. So, all right. Well, I hope this helps everybody. And if you need to get a hold of me, you know how to do that. Links are down below. And you can check out all my products on my website, www.elliottmotorsports.biz. Thanks so much.